How to refinance a credit card. Most people carry a balance on their credit card. That is called debt. When you don't pay your credit card off every month, that's called debt. You have that from month to month, but if you pay it off every month, you have no debt. Well, the average credit card debt is 17% interest rate. But if you have a retail store credit card, which is Costco's, Macy's, Kohl's, the average credit card debt on that is 20%. People with excellent credit qualifies for 0% on a balance transfer. If you have excellent credit, this is what you do. But you have a credit card with high interest rate. Then you say, you know what, you find that credit card with 0%. Now 0% is only gonna last 6 months or maybe even 1 year. You're gonna pay that credit card debt off in that 6 months or a year. But if you don't have great credit, now listen, you can always find a credit card with a lower interest rate than what you're paying right now, if you qualify for that. So you can always still do a balance transfer. Number 2 is you can apply for a personal loan. Now listen, personal loans interest rates are cheaper than your credit card. So you can apply for the personal loan at your credit union. Anybody that watches my video knows that I am a real big fan of credit unions. So go to your credit union, see if that you can qualify for a personal loan and pay that high interest rate credit card off. Now the third nugget I'm gonna give you if you own a home is that you can apply for a home equity loan. When you apply for a home equity loan, it's called revolving debt. It means you have revolving. You have a $10,000 home equity loan on your house and maybe you'll need to use $5,000 and you pay that off. Home equity loans are cheaper than credit card interest rates. The thing about a home equity loan is that you can claim it on your taxes. Claim it on your taxes. Now, I know some people are saying, Regina, I already knew this. But this video is for people that did not know what I shared on this video. So when I do my videos, I try to make them simple. I try to make them easy. When I'm sharing knowledge, it has to be someone out there that didn't know what I'm sharing. That's what I researched. I researched that what people search for the items or the content that I talk about. All right, I'll see you in the next video.